Since 1998, the Lennon buses have been rolling across the U.S. and Europe, impacting millions of students. But they're not just ordinary buses. The John Lennon Educational Tour Bus is a mobile production studio, housed in a custom-converted Prevost XL Entertainer Tour Bus. Boasts a fresh state-of-the-art interior, complete with the studio furniture and equipment racks. Stepping inside the first mix room, a recording haven for aspiring young artists. Featuring the latest Dolby Atmos technology, it creates fully immersive 714 soundscape, even in this compact space. Blackmagic cameras are pre-rigged throughout the room and the rest of the bus for simultaneous filming on the go. Equipped with the industry-leading audio and video equipment, the Lennon Bus empowers students of all ages to gain hands-on experience with real-world tools. The second studio boasts the same level of world-class equipment for recording, mixing, and video editing. This room in a 5.1 surround sound environment, while the back lounge doubles as a soundproof isolation booth for both vocals and instruments, featuring frosted glass for privacy and comfort. 3 hidden bunks provide a convenient sleep space for the bus engineers while on the road. Keeping 2 full production studios, air conditioning, and lights running requires significant power. The Lennon Bus crew knew the limitations of generators and unreliable lead-acid batteries all too well. Sustainability is a core value for this nonprofit, so a recent upgrade to green lithium power has helped take the John Lennon Educational Tour Bus to a whole new level. Over 100 kilowatt of battle-born lithium batteries enable hours of unplugged runtime that is extended further thanks to a 2400-watt solar panel array. Imagine the impact on our nation's youth as the Lennon Bus, powered by clean energy, brings its unique learning and experience to communities and schools across the U.S.
And this is what the bus brings to children around the country that normally wouldn't have the opportunity. This is a world-class studio. And it obviously is, it feels great to be able to make the production possible from a power point of view. But to be able to partner with great organizations like Renner Foundation, Big Brothers and Big Sisters of Northern Nevada, and to allow kids that normally wouldn't have the opportunity to be exposed to this sort of recording equipment and to make great music and to expose them to the arts in a way that they wouldn't normally have been.